What's going on, guys? This is Carlton back at Solo Motorsports. I'm in the Norcross location. Today we've got this 7 Series. I think it's a 750. I haven't quite checked, honestly. I'm gonna try to hide his tag number. Yeah, 750 Li. It's gonna be getting a big brake kit, custom Solo big brake kit. So these are gonna get replaced. This is probably gonna get replaced all the way around, which is pretty sick. We're also doing KW suspension. Let me turn you guys around here. You can see we already got the struts out in the rear. Some nice wheels too, look at that. Whoa. Yeah, so got the wheels off. We got all of the struts out. We got it all apart in here. This is crazy. I've never seen what it looks like when there's no strut. It's just all here hanging. Don't worry, it's not doing any damage because it's still got this lower control arm here. That's actually the lower forward control arm. And so it's still supported even though it's hanging. This is the new KW suspension. Ooh, that is nasty. Look how shiny that is. You gotta love the yellow purple combo, even if you hate the Lakers. You know what I mean? It looks good. It just looks good. You can't complain. So all of that and the big brake kit is gonna be going on to this 750 Li. So that's super sick. That's the job that we're doing. I'm gonna take you guys along for that in a little bit. I think the guys are at lunch at the moment, which is why no one's currently working on it, but they will be back when they're done eating and they're gonna knock this job out. So yeah, stick around. This KW is fucking pretty.
Mucho gay.
There you go.
No, I'm good. Ricardo for 7 Series? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bullshit.
Yeah, I just thought, you know, you look more. All right, guys, so while Ricardo is finishing up the coilovers, he's got the fronts installed. He's just got to install the rears, and then he's going to start tackling that the big brake kit. So we're going to let him work so he can get through it because it's getting close to the end of the day. We're going to stop getting in his way for a minute, and then we're going to check back in with him when he starts to knock out that big brake kit. He's gonna finish up the job, and I don't know if he's finishing up today. If not, we'll check back in with him tomorrow and see how it's going.